Welcome to Top Num Up. Today we're diving into one of the world's most beloved ingredients, cheese. From street food to gourmet classics, here are 30 mouth-watering dishes made with cheese from around the globe. 1. Pizza Margherita, Italy. A timeless classic with melted mozzarella, tomato sauce, and fresh basil. Cheese brings the whole dish together. 2. Mac and cheese, USAA comfort food favorite made with elbow pasta and creamy cheddar cheese. Simple, rich, and satisfying. 3. Fondue, Switzerland. A pot of melted cheese served with bread for dipping. This dish turns cheese into a warm, communal experience. 4. Grilled cheese sandwich. USA crispy, golden bread filled with gooey melted cheese. A perfect snack or lunch for any age. 5. Cheeseburger. USAA classic hamburger topped with a slice of cheese. The melted cheddar takes it to a whole new level. 6. Cheese soufflé. France light, airy, and elegant. A baked dish that rises with the magic of eggs and grated cheese. 7. Quesadilla. Mexico, a tortilla folded and grilled with melted cheese inside, often served with salsa or guacamole. 8. Paneer tikka. India. Chunks of Indian cottage cheese marinated in spices and grilled. Smoky, spicy, and vegetarian-friendly. 9. Lasagna. Italy. Layered pasta sheets with meat, tomato sauce, and plenty of ricotta and mozzarella cheese. 10. Cheese fries. USA French fries smothered in melted cheese. The ultimate indulgent snack. 11. Pão de queijo. Brazil chewy cheese bread made with tapioca flour. Crispy outside, cheesy inside. 12. Croque monsieur. France. A baked or fried ham and cheese sandwich topped with bechamel sauce. Rich and decadent. 13. Khachapuri. Georgia. A bread boat filled with melted cheese and topped with a runny egg. A cheesy delight from the Caucasus. 14. Raclette. Switzerland. Melted cheese scraped over potatoes, pickles, and meat. A comforting rustic mountain meal. 15. Cacio e pepe. Italy, a simple Roman dish of pasta, pecorino cheese, and black pepper. No sauce, just cheese and starch. 16. Cheese enchiladas. Mexico tortillas filled with cheese and smothered in spicy sauce, baked until bubbly. 17. Maultaschen, Germany. German dumplings filled with meat and cheese, often served in broth or pan-fried. 18. Cheese gyoza, Japan. A twist on traditional dumplings, these have melted cheese inside for a fusion-style appetizer. 19. Bruschetta with mozzarella. Italy, toasted bread with chopped tomatoes and slices of fresh mozzarella. Simple, elegant, and flavorful. 20. Cheese-stuffed crust pizza. USAA pizza with gooey cheese hidden inside the crust. Every bite is a surprise. 21. Halloumi salad, Cyprus. Grilled halloumi cheese served over greens, tomatoes, and olives. Salty, fresh, and healthy. 22. Chili cheese dog, USAA hot dog topped with chili and melted cheddar. Messy, spicy, and delicious. 23. Arepas with cheese, Venezuela, Colombia. Cornmeal patties split open and stuffed with cheese. Crispy outside, soft and melty inside. 24. Burek, Balkans. A flaky pastry filled with cheese, spinach, or meat, a staple across Eastern Europe. 25. Mozzarella sticks, used to breaded and fried sticks of mozzarella served with marinara sauce. Crunchy on the outside, gooey inside. 26. Saganaki, grease-fried cheese served in a hot skillet with lemon juice. Crispy, golden, and bold in flavor. 27. Cheese toast, Australia. A slice of bread toasted with cheese on top. A quick snack or breakfast favorite. 28. Baked brie, France. A wheel of brie cheese wrapped in pastry and baked until molten inside. A popular party appetizer. 29. Cheese samosa, India. Deep-fried triangular pastry stuffed with cheese and spices. Crispy, savory, and irresistible. 30. Cheese omelet. Global fluffy eggs folded around gooey cheese. Simple, versatile, and always satisfying. Whether it's melted, grilled, stuffed, or fried, cheese brings flavor and joy to every dish. Which of these cheesy creations is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more global food adventures every day.